Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best ceiling mounted storage racks that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 10 Best Ceiling Mounted Storage Racks. Typically, these storage racks are designed to make use of the wasted spaces in case of your ceiling. They are manufactured using strong materials. They also have a wide area which can occupy many items. You will also find some having hooks, which you can use to hang your bicycle, sports equipment, and tools. If you have stepped in here to look for this product. Number 10. Monster Racks 4x4 Overhead Garage Storage Rack Height Adjustable Steel. Our patented design holds 300 pounds. Check out our related products. Main features. Grade 8 case-hardened lag bolts ensure. Heavy-duty ceiling brackets made of 14-gauge steel. Certified company installers in over 40 major cities. Number 9. Monster Racks 4x4 Overhead Garage Storage Rack Height Adjustable Steel. Our patented design holds 300 pounds and we back it up with a lifetime warranty. All other resellers will. Main features. Heavy-duty wire decking with waterfall. Customizable ceiling drop length. Grade 8 case-hardened lag bolts ensure. Number 8. Monster Racks 4x8 Garage Storage Rack without decks Height Adjustable Steel. We removed the wire decking units from our best-selling rack to cut costs. Main features. Important, this product is composed 250 pounds capacity per 4x4 when using 3/8 thick. Adjustable drop-down. 18 to 33 adjustable drop-down. Number 7. Monster Racks 4x8 Overhead Rack 600 pounds capacity adjustable ceiling mounted rack white 24-45. All other resellers will ship you a resold rack which will void. Main features. Heavy-duty wire decking with waterfall design. Grade 8 case-hardened lag bolts ensure. Easy step-by-step instructions. Number 6. Monster Racks 4x4 Overhead Garage Storage Rack, Height Adjustable Steel. Purchases from Safe Racks includes a limited lifetime warranty. Main features. Heavy-duty wire decking with waterfall design. Heavy-duty ceiling brackets made of 14-gauge steel. Grade 8 case-hardened lag bolts ensure. Number 5. Monster Racks 3x8 Overhead Garage Storage Rack 24-45. Purchases from Safe Racks includes a limited lifetime warranty. All other resellers will ship. Main features. Heavy-duty wire decking with waterfall design. Grade 8 case-hardened lag bolts ensure. Certified company installers in over 40 major. Number 4. Flex-Amounts 4x8 Overhead Garage Storage Rack with hooks adjustable ceiling. Overhead storage racks offer the perfect solution for keeping storage. Main features. Easier DIY installation with step-by-step diagrams. Integrated grid design for easier installation. 22 to 40 ceiling drop-down provides. Number 3. 4up Ortomate PBR004 Wood Organizer and Lumber Storage. We understand how crucial it is to have your materials well organized and accessible. Main features. Wall-mounted, this wood rack is quick. Store all your building supplies without taking. 440-pound weight capacity, quality industrial. Number 2. Flex-Amounts 3x8 Overhead Garage Storage Rack Adjustable Ceiling Storage Rack Heavy Duty. Height adjustable from 22 to 40 inches ceiling drop-down. Main features. Everything arrived in one box compared. Integrated grid design for easier assembly. Heavy cold-rolled 14-gauge steel construction. Number 1. Flex-Amounts 4x8 Overhead Garage Storage Rack Adjustable. More stable and sturdy compared to others. It is the optimal structure choice to ensure safety. Main features. Different, integrated grid design. Avoid water damage by storing your items. AFE BUY Overhead Racks with long ceiling brackets. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.